How to use Snapchat for beginners. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be learning how we can use Snapchat as a complete beginner, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. Now if you'd like to use Snapchat as a beginner, it's actually quite very simple to do so. I'm assuming, by the way, you've already created an account and so on. If you haven't created your account, I've also already made a dedicated tutorial on that. Now right when you open up Snapchat, you're going to directly be at the center of the screen, which is the snaps page, where you can choose to take a snap by simply recording or maybe taking a simple photo using different filters that are available for you over here. So you can go ahead and then take a certain snap and then simply send it to your friends in that way. Aside from this, if you just come to this chat space here, you should be able to see the people that are currently on your friends list. On the left hand side all the way to the left, you will be able to see your snap map, where you will be able to simply go ahead and then see the location of yourself if you've allowed it, as well as also other Snapchatters. On the bottom right over here, you will be able to find the stories option, where you'll be able to see the stories of your friends. If you just come to this spotlight tab, where you'll be able to see short videos like this on Snapchat as well. Now let's say you want to send a snap, you go ahead and simply record a certain video here for a while, and then you customize whatever settings you want to on this particular snap, and then you tap the next option, which is a send to option, and you can choose to select everyone over here. Once you select all, you'll be able to select and send snaps to everybody like this, and then you can just go ahead and send it to that way. Remember that sending snaps on Snapchat is actually a temporary thing. It is going to disappear right when you send the snap and then you receive the snap as well. This way you'll be able to use Snapchat as a complete beginner. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.